Flying fish, a unique species that inhabits the vast ocean, is not only an important food source, but also a symbol of resilience and vitality. Known for their ability to fly across the water's surface with their wing-like pectoral fins, flying fish can glide over waves and cover long distances across the sea. Each year, the fishing industry harvests hundreds of thousands of tons of flying fish to meet both domestic demand and exports to international markets. With their resilience and high adaptability, flying fish have become a popular dish in the cuisine of many countries, especially coastal nations. Harvesting flying fish presents numerous challenges for fishermen. They frequently battle rough seas and harsh weather conditions to bring the fish from the ocean to shore. Flying fish have a habit of leaping out of the water to move, and fishermen have taken advantage of this behavior to lure the fish closer. At night, the strong light from lamps on the boats attracts schools of flying fish, causing them to rush towards the light source. A whole school of fish quickly swims toward the boat, creating a stunning spectacle in the hazy atmosphere of the night. Experienced fishermen know that flying fish are most active during the early hours of the morning, when the sea begins to stir gently. Therefore, they must carefully observe the flow of the current and the direction of the wind to identify the ideal time for harvesting. When the boat reaches shore, workers sort the fish by size and ensure they are stored in optimal conditions to maintain freshness. Using ice-filled containers, the flying fish are kept cool and preserved from spoilage throughout the transport process. Next, workers use sharp knives to remove the heads and fins of the fish, preparing them for packaging and distribution to stores, restaurants, or market outlets. The sight of boats filled with shimmering silver fish marks the start of a busy working day, serving as a testament to the hard work and perseverance of the fishermen, as well as the invaluable food source that flying fish provide to humanity. After harvest and initial processing, the flying fish undergo a final thorough wash to remove any remaining impurities. Then, the fish are lightly steamed at high temperatures, allowing them to cook gently while retaining their natural texture and shape. This process not only helps preserve nutrients, but also maintains the fresh, delicious flavor, resulting in a canned flying fish product that can be consumed immediately or stored for long periods. It is the perfect choice for quick and convenient meals that still deliver excellent quality and nutritional value. Flying fish, with its tender and naturally sweet flesh, is easily paired with rich sauces, offering variety to any meal. In the coastal regions of Japan, flying fish is often grilled over hot coals, releasing its distinctive aroma, or dried for long-term preservation. The dried fish is then used to make the famous dashi broth or other homemade dishes, imparting a rich, unforgettable flavor. Not only a delicious dish, flying fish is also deeply connected to the traditions and culinary memories of coastal communities, bringing warmth and bonding to family meals. The appearance of flying fish at the table is not just about enjoying the dish, but also a celebration of the beauty of an ancient culinary culture where every meal reflects the skill and meticulous care of the fishermen. Similarly, the care of livestock in agriculture is also of great importance. For instance, pig pens are designed to promote health, improve immunity, and reduce disease, creating a natural living environment that helps pigs grow strong, thus providing high-quality food for the community. In modern food processing plants, the pig slaughtering process has been fully automated, utilizing advanced technology to enhance efficiency and ensure humane treatment. The entire process begins with the pig entering the processing line, where automatic machinery removes the hair using a series of rollers and cutting knives to separate the skin from the meat without damaging the pig's body. After the skin is removed, the pig is sent to cutting machines to be sorted into parts like the head, legs, and body. The next step involves burning to clean the skin and disinfect the surface to minimize the risk of bacterial contamination. Then, workers or machines will carefully cut a long incision along the belly, ensuring no damage is done to the internal organs, ensuring that the pork remains uncontaminated throughout the process. After the skin is removed and the abdomen is slit, the pig's carcass is passed through a series of automatic washing machines to remove any remaining impurities, such as blood and excess fat. The water used in this process is clean, sterilized water to ensure food safety and hygiene. Some plants use steam or chemical sterilization systems to ensure that the pig's parts are thoroughly cleaned and free of bacteria or pathogens. The pork is then cut into smaller portions, such as loin, ribs, shoulder, or ground meat, depending on market demands. Automated cutting machines can slice with precision and speed according to standard sizes. Among the meat parts, the pig's leg is considered one of the most valuable cuts, especially favored for its tender lean meat, low fat, and low fat content. To maintain the quality of the meat, the processing of the pig's leg is always done with great care. Skilled workers use sharp knives to separate the meat from the bones without damaging the structure of the meat. This ensures that the leg, after processing, retains its freshness, tenderness, and high quality, meeting the demands of both domestic consumption and export. Adhering to such strict procedures not only enhances production efficiency, but also protects consumer health and promotes sustainable development in the food processing industry. In addition to fresh meat, sausages are one of the most popular and widely consumed products on the market. At sausage production plants, the manufacturing process is fully enclosed and automated, ensuring product quality and food safety. After inspection, the meat and fat are fed into slicing and grinding machines. The meat is cut into medium-sized pieces, then sent to industrial grinders to be finely ground. The fat is also chopped and thoroughly mixed with the meat to create a homogeneous mixture. During the grinding process, technical staff monitor the fineness of the meat to ensure that the meat and fat mixture is uniform. This is a crucial step to create a smooth texture and retain moisture during processing. The pork mixture is then transferred to an industrial mixer, where it is evenly combined with seasonings, salt, binders, and other additives to create the characteristic flavor and ensure consistency in the sausage. Once the meat and fat are finely ground, spices such as salt, pepper, minced garlic, sugar, and flavor, enhancers like herbs and paprika, chili powder are mixed into the blend. Additionally, some additives such as phosphates, nitrates, or preservatives may be added to improve shelf life, color, and enhance flavor. The spice blends may vary depending on the type of sausage, such as German sausages or Italian sausages. This process helps create sausages with a fresh taste and appealing flavor, while also keeping the ingredients stable and unaltered. The mixing process is carried out in automatic mixers to ensure that the spices are evenly distributed throughout the meat mixture. The spices and additives are blended for a set period of time to ensure a consistent flavor. After the meat and spice mixture has been thoroughly blended, it is transferred into an automatic sausage stuffing machine. This machine fills the sausage casings with the meat mixture. The casings can either be natural, such as pork intestines, or synthetic, such as collagen or cellulose casings. Natural casings are preferred for their distinctive flavor and crunchy texture when eaten, while synthetic casings provide better protection for the sausages during storage and transport. The meat mixture is stuffed into the casings and then cut into uniform lengths, depending on the type of sausage the producer wants to make. This process is automated using stuffing machines, which save time and ensure that each sausage is the same size. After being stuffed into casings, the sausages are then transferred to heat processing equipment to complete the cooking process. The heat treatments may include steaming, boiling, or smoking, depending on the requirements of the specific sausage type. After completing the heat processing, sausages are immediately cooled to ensure they do not lose quality. Cooling machines use cold water or cold air to rapidly lower the temperature of the sausages. Once cooled, the sausages are moved to an automatic packaging process. They are packaged in vacuum-sealed bags or nitrogen-flushed packaging to maintain freshness and protect the product from bacteria. Sausages and pork products not only stand out for their flavor, but also serve as an essential source of nutrition in daily diets. With a high protein content, pork helps in muscle development and maintaining good health. Additionally, pork provides important minerals such as iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, which are crucial for boosting immunity and supporting bodily functions. Therefore, products like sausages are not only delicious, but also provide essential nutrients, helping consumers maintain health and energy throughout the day. Thank you for joining me in exploring the production process and nutritional value of sausages and pork products. See you in the next adventures, where we will continue to uncover more fascinating secrets in the food industry.